How to adjust chat notifications on Substack. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide that we can follow up if we want to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can log in into our Substack. Go to substack.com for that and click on your profile picture icon here or in the top right corner and find it up. Now from there, select the option of settings from the menu that pops up and access your settings right there. And this is our settings page here. Now we just need to scroll down and go to the section for notifications. And once we go over to this notification section, here we'll be finding different options. What we need to do is we need to look out for options for chat, such as messaging. So drop it down, and here we can find the many messaging notifications. So we can turn it on or turn it off. So here, if you want to turn it off, you can check mark this option. You can uncheck it and turn it off. Again, if you want to turn it on, hit back and follow the same steps, and you can turn it on by clicking on this options. And that way you should be able to do it. If you want to turn it off for all in bulk, select this option called turn off all. And we also have this option called allow messages requests from everyone or no one. You can select that option, and that way you can customize it and get extra control. You can just go over and follow this method for that. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.